Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to review this oh yes HolyLand Lark A1 microphone with dual connectors and USB Type-C. It comes in very good packing, and right now the voice you're getting is from the Lark A1. Right now it's noise cancelled enabled, and let me just disable it. So now, yes, both have noise cancellation disabled. If I enable that again, so you can hear the difference. What's So now it's green, which means the noise cancellation is on.
क्या बात है सर,
And
क्या बात है
I
सर,
mean,
क्या बात है,
in
ये
few
बात है।
budget, I got
अरे
it
सर, क्या
in
बात।
$40 almost, about 10,000 PKR. I think this is the best product that have right now in the market, as compared to any person who just have to do in room videos, not go to outside. So that's a good and value to money product. How's the voice quality? You tell me in comments. Thank you.